Welcome back everyone. In this video we will be discussing about type function. Connect your Raspberry Pi Pico with the laptop and open Thorny ID. My case in the shell MicroPython is loaded. The type function will helpful when you want to check what is the type of a particular variable in our program. That's very important in some cases. Let's see how we can use it. I'm creating a variable, something called a equal to. I'm going to pass a number. Okay. Then I can type check what is the type of it type. Then you have to pass what is the variable we want to check. So I want to check what is the variable. Now you can find that. It's a class int. The variable which I have loaded here, it is an int type. Similarly, you can check for the other cases also. Let's look at in different way by checking other cases also. I'm giving a variable b suppose be equal to some numbers you can give should be a plotting number. Then value of 5. For example, I have created different variables and loaded with different types of values. Next step I can call each and every variable and check what type it is. B is a float type. C is a string because it is high there, that's a string type. And D is a boolean. Similarly, you can check for the case of yours. So it's a tougher. So the same way we will be able to check what is the type of that variable. Definitely it will help in some awesome part of our program. Thank you. Subscribe our channel for more videos.